I rise to speak on the calling attention moved by my colleague Carlos Ferreira and Vijay Sardesai. Speaker sir, सगळे हिंगा उलयले खास करून the importance of this issue. आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी आमदार जाल्यार सगळे 2 वर्सां जालीं होच विशय ह्या विधानसभेन गेल ते बजेट सेशना पासून आमी उलयल्ले आनी जेन्ना उलयल्ले 10-15 मिनटां एकलो आमदार उलयल्लो. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता that this government is not serious to resolve the issue of the persons with disability. हें हांव तुमकां कित्याक सांगता स्पीकर सर, कित्याक हो सरकाराचो लक्ष हा इव्हेंट करपाक. आतां पर्पल फेस्ट ऑर्गनायज केलें, बरी गोश्ट. इट इज अ फेस्ट कोण 7 दिसां फेस्ट आनी 365 days हे लोकांगेले प्रॉब्लम कोण आयडेंटिफाय करतलो. ह्या भुरग्यांक स्पेशल डिसेबल्ड भुरग्यांक पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी भुरग्यांक हाडटा आनी त्या फेस्टाक यू ऑल प्रेजेंट देम एंड इट गोज वेल. बट वॉट हॅपन्स टू 365 days? You all raise their expectations. After the fest, सरकार न्हिदता. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता जे बेजीक रिक्वायरमेंट होच प्रश्न जेन्ना बजेट सेशनाक गेल त्या वर्साक ह्याच हावजांक जेन्ना एक म्हाका दिसता वन स्टुडंट तेका दे हॅड टू कॅरी द स्टुडंट एंड ब्रिंग देम हियर इन द विजिटर्स गॅलरी. त्या वेळार तुवें एक रॅम्प आनी 2 दांडे, हे रॅम्प आनी 2 दांडेचो प्रोविजन केल्लो. एंड इज दीस द स्टँडर्ड where we are as legislators speaking about it time and over again, highlighting this issue, and this house, it is absolutely shocking. Speaker sir, inga suvidha na, ya assembly complex and suvidha na. This itself shows of the lethargic attitude of the government. Because Speaker sir, आमी जेन्ना पयच्या दिसाक मडगांवचे गांवांत गेल्ले त्या ऑफिसान, जे ऑफिसान RTO आहा, जे PDA आहा, whatever it is, excise and थिंगा lifts don't open, and on the 3rd floor they had to lift that child. Now all our buildings, as per PWD and PWD minister is there here, are in dilapidated condition. आमी social welfare चे मंत्रीक request केले की ते जनता हाऊस म्हणे हा, that building is also all dilapidated condition. This government is absolutely, Speaker sir, not serious. God forbid some incident happens, and this is like a ticking bomb today. Speaker sir, संजय स्कुलाचो इश्यू आशिल्लो आनी भुरगे सारके तांकां त्रास जाता, पेरंट्साक त्रास जाता. हे इश्यू रिजॉल्व करपाक मुखेलमंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता, इफ वी आर अनेबल टू डू इट, it is a shame on us as legislators sitting here and going on explaining. The government has to act. Why are they not acting? गेल ते पुजा स्पीकर सर, आमी प्रश्न गायल्ले LAQ number 222 on 5th February, आणि त्या वेळार आमकां उत्तर मेळ्ळें की out of 31 buildings identified in phase 1 of the Accessible India campaign, works are undertaken only in 22. फक्त 22 बिल्डिंगे you have spent by spending 13 crores 71 lakhs. This was the reply. मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगचें नो जे बॅलन्स बिल्डिंग आशिल्ले, what is the status of that? Secondly, Speaker sir, what exact work you have done with this 13 crores 71 lakhs? Can the Chief Minister explain? दूसरे जे list of 45 buildings identified under phase 2 of Accessible India campaign, and as per the reply, Speaker sir, that includes all government offices, buildings, ye aaj pasun no works have been undertaken. Speaker sir, when will this work start? Maka dista, this is a very, very serious issue. Purple Festak, jenna amka reply mela in 2023, for construction and installation of various items of barrier-free environment for persons with disability and elderly person. Speaker sir, ye Miramar beach, you have spent an amount of 49 lakhs. Is this existing at Miramar beach currently after spending 49 lakhs? Are any of our beaches person with disabled friendly? Speaker sir, aaj maka dista why I am showing that this government is not serious. Je funds in the year 22-23, 99.21 lakhs were released, but zero amount was spent. When funds were released from the Ministry for Accessible India campaign, zero amount is spent. सो म्हाका दिसता अक्रॉस द स्पेक्ट्रम not only जे बाब एल्टनान सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन not only buildings of government but all the buildings, private buildings, wherever we go, I think this is their right, and the Honorable Chief Minister has to एक कायदा हाडपाक जाय that it has to be mandatory that person with disabled friendly building आसपा जाय म्हणून. Because म्हाका दिसता सुरवातेक जेन्ना आमी हे प्रश्न मांडटा आनीक जे आमगेले अश्युरन्स कमिटी आसता तेमी हेजेर नंद घेवपाक जाय, दखल घेवपाक जाय. आज it's sorry for me to say this because I feel sorry because we've spoken on this for 10 minutes in the last demands during the social welfare ministry's demand. We were assured by the Honorable Chief Minister, but nothing happens. आता हिंगा या बिल्डिंगेकूच गेल ते बजेट सेशनाक उबान हाडले भुरग्यांक आनी तुमी मागीर दुसऱ्या दिसा रॅम्प आनी बार हाडले. व्हील चेअर वॉज नॉट एक्सेसिबल हियर, मागीर उबान हिंगा हाडले. So this is the status, because if our building where we are living, if we are setting a bad example, what is the signal we are sending to the people?
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.